The internet is buzzing, my friends. Everyone's looking for ways to make money online. And you know what? It's totally possible. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes, though. You need hustle, strategy, and the right platform. That's where AliExpress comes in. It's a massive online marketplace with millions of products. Think of it like your virtual treasure chest, packed with opportunities to build your own online business. Whether you're a college student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone who wants to be their own boss, AliExpress has something for you. Let's dive right in. AliExpress is a giant, my friends. We're talking about a platform with over 100 million active buyers worldwide. That's a huge potential customer base for you. Think about it. Millions of people are already shopping on AliExpress every single day. They're looking for great deals, unique products, and a smooth shopping experience. Your job is to tap into that demand and offer them exactly what they're looking for. Here's the kicker. You don't need to manufacture anything yourself. You don't even need to hold any inventory. AliExpress makes it incredibly easy to start an online business with very little upfront investment. Dropshipping is the name of the game, folks. It's a revolutionary way to run an online business without the hassle of managing inventory. It's a business model where you sell products online without actually stocking them yourself. Imagine running a store without ever having to worry about storage space or unsold items. Here's how it works on AliExpress, a popular platform for dropshipping. First, you list a product from AliExpress on your own website or online store. You can choose from millions of products available on AliExpress. Then, a customer places an order and pays you the retail price. This means you get paid upfront before you even purchase the product. Next, you order that same product from your AliExpress supplier at a wholesale price. This is where you make your profit margin. Finally, your supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You never have to handle the product yourself. You keep the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price. That's your profit. It's a simple yet effective way to earn money. The beauty of dropshipping is that you only pay for products after you've already made a sale. This minimizes your financial risk. No more guessing what will sell. You can test different products without any upfront investment in inventory. Section 4. Beyond dropshipping, retail arbitrage and affiliate marketing. Dropshipping is just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many more opportunities waiting for you beneath the surface. AliExpress offers even more ways to make money online. It's a treasure trove of potential income streams. Find hot-selling products on AliExpress at super low prices. These products can be the foundation of your online business. Then resell them for a profit on other platforms like Amazon or eBay. This is known as retail arbitrage, and it can be highly lucrative. Promote AliExpress products on your website, blog, or social media. Use engaging content to attract potential buyers. You'll earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. The more traffic you drive, the higher your earnings. The key to success with any of these methods is to find a niche. A well-defined niche can set you apart from the competition. What are you passionate about? Your interests can guide you to the perfect niche. What problems can you solve for people? Identifying and addressing these problems can make your business invaluable. Once you know your niche, you can start sourcing amazing products from AliExpress and building a loyal customer base. Your dedication and passion will shine through, attracting repeat customers and growing your business. Section 5. Your journey starts now. Take action. Look, starting an online business takes work. It requires dedication, time, and a lot of effort. There's no getting around that. You will face obstacles and moments of doubt. But here's the thing. It's totally within your reach. Success is not just for the chosen few. AliExpress provides you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. From product sourcing to customer service, it's all there. Start by browsing AliExpress and finding products that excite you. Choose items that you are passionate about. Do your research, understand your target audience, and never stop learning. Knowledge is power in the world of e-commerce. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving, and you need to evolve with it. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Most importantly, don't be afraid to take action. Bold moves lead to great rewards. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. Embrace the challenge and push forward. So, what are you waiting for? Your online empire awaits. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.